This is Chris McKay at Fendt Honda, showing you the 2016 Civic Touring Edition. The side view of the Civic, the Renit design, is 2016. You can see it has the Honda Lane Watch, also the integrated blinkers in the mirror, and alloy wheels. The particular model has leather interior. It comes with a full sensing package. There is the console for your lane watch, all your entertainment. There's a steering wheel with all the controls for the entertainment center, adaptive cruise control. Of course, it's an automatic transmission. And there is your USB and power outlets right there underneath the dash here. Interior will sit 5, 3 in the back. You also have heated seats in the back, what they call the outboard side, so the main passenger and on the outside of each seat. This is your trunk area. Comes with the cover to protect your carpet underneath that protection counter. Rear profile of the car. It does come with a rear view camera right underneath the Honda symbol there. Again, this is Chris McKay at Fendt Honda, introducing the 2016 Civic Touring Package.